I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you guys had a great trading week this week. Markets are closed tomorrow on Monday the 19th. I just want to make sure you guys know that. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. And next thing, if you haven't joined my Discord chat room where I call out all my stocks, I have all the swing trading and long-term investing alerts, and on the main chat we just talk about the markets. You're welcome to talk to other people. The chat room has been growing. We have about 40 members right now in total, and it's been growing pretty well so far. Did call out my swing trades on my UGAS position. SOXL had about $20 per share profit on that one, and on SPY had over $15 per share profit on that one, and so on. There's way more profits and other trades that were very good on this, so I call these out live and instantly on my phone, so you guys can get in on those. The link to this chat room will be in the description. So let's go ahead and get a quick recap of the markets. So there was a huge correction that happened 2 weeks back, lasted about 2 weeks, and this started about January ending and ended about last week. And this whole week, it's just been full hard recovery, and markets have just been flying this week. That's pretty scary because when a correction happens, it usually takes about a month, 2 or more. They slowly start to rise. They go up, down a little, go up, go down a little, go back up. Overall trend will be up, but this spike right here, it's kind of scary but also good because you can profit it up and down if you're longing and shorting. So let's go ahead and look at the 1 year chart. The MACD is in the red, just about going green, but the RSI is in the middle. That's pretty good. And looking at the max chart on this one, MACD basically says it's still recovering. And if you are in the swing trades, I would definitely take profits on this right now because you are just looking for that quick profit. So I'll get rid of half or 2/3 of position and ride the rest, see what happens. But if you are in the long-term position, I would definitely add over here, wait for that small pullback to add more, and just ride the rest, because you don't really worry about the swing trades when you're investing because you are in it for years, decades, maybe longer. So that's a quick recap on this market. I'm definitely expecting it to shoot past that 50 SMA line, and then let's see the breakout over there to about 280, and it will definitely pull back after that. So my swing trades that I'm looking at are UGAS. I did take a position on this one, and I averaged down this week to about 53.50s area. And looking at this, it's consolidating that bottom before it breaks out. I see that breakout forming, and once that MACD, this level goes into that green above 0, then definitely we'll see a breakout even before that happens. And the RSI is holding up and slowly increasing, so that's good. Shaking out all the stop losses and all the weak hands over there, and only keeping the strong hands on that one going forward. So looking at that, I want to see that breakout of 55 and this 50 SMA line over there, and I definitely see it going past 60 to 65. I will definitely take most of my profits at 60. That's my profit target right now, and anywhere after that is just a lottery play basically, and I'll ride the rest, and once I see it coming back down, I'll take profits on that one. So the next one is going to be JDSD. This was a great day trade or swing trade on Friday. If you did get in at that 50s area and got that breakout to about 54.80, and so I'm seeing that on the MACD just went green, and the RSI is building up, so I do see a breakout coming. And zoom in over here on the 30 days chart, you can see that RSI is forming, and once it breaks above that 50 SMA line, it's going to come back down, I believe, and it's going to break through that 200 SMA line. I believe, or my profit target will probably be around 60s area, but anywhere around 57.50 will be great time to take profit. My entry on this will be around 52.50 to 53. I want to get in that 53.10 area. Looking at that, that's a great buy, and I'm looking to take profits around 60. So that's my swing plays that I'm looking for. I didn't take a position on Friday because I did see that huge breakout, and I was already in UGAS, so I'm just playing these slow. I'm taking small positions on these ones, not too big, because I am new to these inverse ETFs. This one's a gold, and the other one was for natural gas. So let's go back into SPY. Quick recap. I'm expecting a jump up to that 280 test, and definitely breaking up that 275 soon on Tuesday when markets open again. Markets are closed on Monday, so once it does make that breakout, I definitely see a big pullback coming, because when a correction happens like as big as this one, this was bigger than 2008, I believe, so definitely will see a pullback coming up. So take much profits as you can, just ride the rest, and if you are investing, you got nothing to worry about, just hold or add to your position. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it to stay notified on my new videos. I am calling out JDST early in my video, so if you are seeing this video before I call that out, then you are lucky, because you can read the charts and think about taking a position on JDST coming up. And I will put a link in the description, as I do in all my videos, to join the chat room. It's completely free. I do call out all my trades on here instantly. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.